Hey guys, Tarek with Cyclone FPV, and I'm getting ready to do a Rover video. Before I did that, I told the customer I'm working on his Rover right now, and I said, look, I'm gonna go ahead and knock yours out here so I can ship it out first thing in the morning. But I'm gonna show you guys real quickly how to do the Lua Script to adjust your VTX, because it's kind of tricky, okay? So here's the deal. The Lua Script itself can be found, I'm gonna, let me see if I can pull up the computer here real quick, okay? So I should hopefully see that screen pop up here in just a second. Hold on, bear with me a sec. Let me close this real quickly and try to launch it again, and maybe I can get the screen to come back up. Okay, I think I got it there. There we go. All right, so let me show you what we're working on here, okay? So here is Betaflight, which really doesn't matter right now. What matters is the internet. So here's the internet right here. If I go to FrSky's website, right, we'll start from the beginning. So if I go to FrSky's website and I go to my products and I go to, go to products, go to RC Plane, I'm gonna go to Rover3, right? Okay, and then from the Rover3, I'm going to go to my downloads page. Okay, and then what matters here, what we're talking about right now is the Lua Script. Now, when you're going to download this script, what's going to end up happening is it's going to give you options, right here. Sorry, let me get that out of here. Okay, so you're going to get options. It's going to come in a folder, and the folder is going to come with these 3 files in it. Okay, you're going to have to extract them. So these 3 files. Now, I loaded all. You're going to need to put these 3 files under your folder on your transmitter. You need to put them under the folder that comes in. So I'm just going to plug this in and show you where I put them, and I'll do a whole lesson on this later, but right now I'm just going to show you where they went. So I'm going to use this. Obviously, when I when I plug this in, it asks me if I want to use this storage or joystick. We're going to go to storage so we can look at the SD card that's on it. Okay, so let me wait for this to load up. Okay, so under the SD card, right, I went and loaded it under, if you go to scripts and then you go to tools, you're going to see I put all 3 of them here just so that you could look at them. There's all 3 right here, sorry, this one, and this one, and it creates a LUA on its own. So anyways, we're going to close that. So you put that in on your under the tool section, and now let me eject this so I can get this out of here. Okay, so what you do next, right? So what you do next is you will, now I've got the Rover sitting kind of far away so it doesn't interrupt with our video here because it's been interfering. So now let's say, okay, here's my screen, all right? We're gonna watch this, and then we're gonna go over here and we'll say, okay, I need to go to my script. So I'm gonna take joystick, get to your menu tools section, and under tools, I'm gonna go to the, obviously you should only have one loaded. I have the G-Trans X7 X-Lite. I'm gonna hit enter on that. Okay, so right now what it's telling you is I'm on channel, band A, channel 2, which is frequency 5845. Now my screen here is 5843. I don't know if I have a 5845, I guess not. So let me see if I can, there's 5845, this is it right here. Okay, so that's channel, I guess it's channel 12, which should maybe be A2, I don't know. But I want to change it, right? So here's what you need to do. You need to hit your enter key until it starts blinking, okay? And now you can select, and you'll see the frequency option change down here, okay? I need to see how you can go 3 and 2 and 1. I'm gonna go to 1 because I know it's safe with our wire system, and I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna stop it. Now it's gonna load, but wait, it takes a second. There it goes. So now I go do it, and now I'm looking for 5865. So I'm gonna hold this down, let my search find it. See if I can find it. That's the Rover waiting to be armed because it's been sitting there. I just armed it, so it should be okay. All right, so now we've done that, right? But here's where the problem is, and I need to change this back on the alt frequency. I'm gonna put it to no. Okay, you always have to wait for this thing to have a moment to update, okay? So you see how now it went into pit mode, okay? So if I wanna change that, I'm gonna wait. Now, but watch, if I want to change it again, I'm going to go right back into pit mode, okay? So this is basically the lock that's on here. So if you feel like you're in an area where you can run a higher milliwatt and follow the laws of your local area, whatever it may be, go down here to all frequency, click it, and then change it to yes, and wait, okay? Then you can go back up, click on your milliwatts, go over to, let's say, 200, hit enter, and now you can run at 200, and there you go. And you can actually run at 600. Wait for it to update. Okay. But if you put no, so make sure you follow your local laws and what's required, you automatically bat in pit mode. Okay. And you can go to 25 milliwatts. Okay. But if you try to change it, you automatically back in pit mode. Okay, so please guys, follow your local laws on this one. The FCC and FAA and F blah blah are really taking this seriously, so be very careful. Do not mess with the laws with this one. So anyways, again, you would go to yes. Oops, I have to change this, sorry. We go to yes. There we go, wait for it to update. And then you can go back and change however you like. Okay, make sure you stay in frequencies that are legal to you and don't violate any laws. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and change this back now. All right, so guys, if you have any questions, I hope that helps. It is extremely confusing at times how these scripts work, okay? But it is done. I will do a full Rover setup video later on, but I just want to show you that right now. Everything else is working great. If you have any questions, please go to the Facebook groups page and post them there, and I'll try to get, there's a bunch of people there that can help you. And then also, please follow us on Facebook and subscribe like that, right? Yeah, okay, whatever. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'd appreciate it. It is Sunday. Let's see, September 13th. This is another video. I've got like 8 more to do today. By all means, please go spend time with your family, guys. Make the most of it. If my kids were here, I'd be playing with them right now. My wife, thankfully, is supporting me doing this because she wants me out of the house so she can clean. All right, anyways, God bless. Be safe. Spend time with your family. Make the most of it. You don't know how much time you have left with them. So do what you can. Fly later. Peace, guys. Bye.